Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Oh, what fun! It is the Christmas season, so everything is going to be so much more beautiful, colorful, and fun. I do look like the statue of Christmas, not Liberty. Kidding! I am Megha Joshi and Megzy Pop to you, and I hope you know this by now. I really do. We are going to start with our Christmas season, and today we're going to use some sun-dried tomato. We're going to pesto it. We're going to have layers of something. We're going to have lots of butter. We are actually going to make the sun-dried tomato pesto pinwheels baked. I am really excited for this recipe, but before I get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. So you know what to do. Please take a screenshot of the list of ingredients on your screen so that you could refer to it later on. First things first, we are going to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So while our oven's getting heated, we're going to make our sun-dried tomato pesto. So we're going to use our mixie. So first we're going to add in our sun-dried tomatoes that I have soaked in water for a bit. Now we're going to add some garlic, some yummy pine nuts. Then we're going to add some, my favorite of course, green chilies. The spiciness, it's on you, how spicy you like your food to be. We're going to add some basil leaves, some salt to taste, and some fresh lemon juice. And now we're going to mix it all together and make it a paste. So our sun-dried tomato pesto is almost ready. So we're going to empty this, into a bowl. Right, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and give it a good mix. Right, so we gave it a good mix. Our next step, we're going to take the bread and we're going to decrust it. Always remember, we never throw away our crust because all we need to do is chuck them in the oven, crisp them and serve it with any dip that you like. We never waste food. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give a light roll to the bread. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to get a brush. We're going to brush some butter on our bread slices. Okay, lightly. Right. So we're done with the butter. Now we're going to take the pesto and we're going to put the pesto on our bread slices. Apply it such that when we are rolling, it doesn't fall out. And when we are going to slice it. Right, here it is, done. Now we're going to put the shredded cheese on each and every slice. Here we go. Who doesn't like cheese? Now what we're going to do is roll. Okay, so here's one slice and I'm going to put this joining the other slice. Okay, and I'm going to roll it slowly and steadily. Fold the other slice inside as well. There we go. I'm going to take this slice here and attach the other slice. Make sure when you're folding it, it's nice and firm, alright? And our last slice, let's put it on and we roll slowly and steadily. And here we go. Now what we're going to do is we are going to slice these. Here we go, the last one. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to place this on an oven tray. I've just put a butter paper. I'm going to just brush a little bit of butter as well for the flavor, right? Now we are going to place our pinwheels on the butter paper. They are looking so cute and so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. And here we go. What I'll do one more time is brush butter over each one. And finally, we are going to add more cheese to it. You do remember, we said we're going to add the cheese from top as well. So here goes. Now, we are going to bake our pinwheels in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes. So our pinwheels are now ready. I'm just going to get them out of the oven. And here we go. Wow, the cheese is nicely melted and it's looking yummy, yummy, yummy. And we're going to plate it. Here goes, carefully. And our last one, here we go. My pinwheels are ready. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But before I go, I gotta do what I always do, and that is to taste what I've made. And I'm gonna taste it.